Hi everyone, my name is Kim Joseph Balaro and today I will going to deliver my speech entitled Let Us Conserve Water. So let's go. Let us conserve water. Water is a common thing that we often encounter every day. It is a fundamental substance in life that sustains all living organisms on Earth. With a growing global population and increasing demands for water in different fields, it is important to explore innovative solutions and strategies to ensure water security for present and future generations. In this essay, we explore the multifaceted role of water in preserving our planet's ecosystems and highlighting the significance of water conservation as part of our life. Water is not just a resource, it's the lifeblood of our Mother Earth. As the world is shifting and a growing global population and increasing demands for water in agriculture, industry, and households, water is a limited resource that needs careful management and conservation. One convincing reason to conserve water is its important role in preserving our ecosystems and biodiversity. Many ecosystems, such as wetlands and rivers, rely on consistent water flows to support diverse flora and fauna, which means plants and animals. By conserving water, we can maintain and balance the health of these ecosystems, which in turn provide essential services such as clean air, where trees and plants release oxygen and absorbing carbon dioxide. Water purification, wetlands and forests will filter pollutants and ensure safe drinking in both humans and wildlife. And also, climate regulation, where water availability directs affects forest health. Droughts and water scarcity affects the trees, making them less effective at carbon sequestration. In addition to that, weather becomes more inconsistent, just like we experience nowadays. Droughts and water scarcity are growing more frequently and becoming common. By conserving water, we can better adapt to these shifting situations and ensure that people have the access to water for drinking, cooking, sanitations, and agriculture despite drought and water scarcity. As being part of these global issues, we should always remember that every small effort to save water contributes to a more sustainable future. In conclusion, water conservation is not only about saving water, it's about safeguarding our ecosystems, biodiversity, and human well being. I firmly believe in a quote by a French proverb that we never know the worth of water till the well is dry. So let's protect this precious resource and acknowledge the value of water conservation so that we can ensure a sustainable future for generations to come. So that's all. Thank you. Have a good day.